Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write a program to show the following output here depend on the value of input n. And for that reason we will use Python as a programming language. So if the sample input shows here only 10 integer value, after depend upon the value of this the output will be 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So at first if we analyze the problem we see that there are 10 lines. That means uh, the how many lines will be there, it will depend upon the value of n, and each line there will be same amount of value there. Suppose in the line 1 there is only one value, in the line 2 there is two value, in the line 3 there is three value, and so on up to in the line 10 there are 10 value. So what is the pattern of the value printing here? In the first line it will only print 1, in the second line it will print 1 2, in the third line 1 2 3, fourth line 1 2 3 4, and so on. Now let's start the program. Initially we insert a cell here. So we will take a value of n equal to just sub if since the 10 is the integer value, so we will write int here and just call the input function. Then run the cell. Yes, it is working. It will take the value of n. After that we will write a nested for loop. So there are two loop in the nested for loop. One is outer loop, another is inner loop. In the outer loop, for the outer loop we would like to declare a variable is known as line, and it will continue from 1 to n plus up to n plus 1, and it will increased by 1 after each step. So in the inner loop we would like to declare a variable named value, and it will range from 1 to up to line plus 1, and it will also increase by 1 after each execution. So what value will be printed uh, under these loop conditions? So here we see that in the first line there is only one value, and in the second line there is two value, in the third line there is three value, in the fourth line there are four value, in the fifth line there are five value. So how many value will be printed? It will control by the inner loop. That means it will control by this value named value, and how many line will be there, it will controlled by this loop, the value of line. So here we just print out the value of value, print the value of variable value, and after printing each value they are separated by a space. That's why we will write and equal to space. So just run the program. Here we see that for n equal to 4 the value is printed 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, but it will not printed by this format. So if we want to print those value like this format, we have to change something. We have to print a new line, After each execution of inner loop. So just print a new line here. Now check it. Yes, that is solved. So for n equal to 4, the value is now 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again we just check for n equal to 10 and run the cell again. Yes, it is working. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's pretty cool. I hope you will understand the program here. If you have any question regarding this program, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try to solve your problem, or I will try to convey the right answer to you. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and always move forward in life. Thank you for watching.